A raised garden bed can transform your garden from this to this. Hi, I'm Jake, and this is how to build a raised garden bed with sleepers. Let's get into it. To start, choose the location for your raised garden bed. For this project, we're using treated pine sleepers, which are durable and perfect for outdoor use. Make sure it's a spot with plenty of sunlight and good drainage. Then measure out the area where the bed will go and mark using a line marker. Mark each corner and dig a hole for your uprights prior to placing in your first row of sleepers. The depth of the hole will depend on how high your garden bed is going. Next, measure and mark where your sleepers are going, then cut them to size using a circular saw and square. Be sure to allow for the thickness of your sleeper when lapping or butting them together to help achieve the correct size. Lay your sleepers in position to create the shape of your garden bed. You'll want to fix the sleepers together as you go. This helps keep the sleepers in position. If you have one, use a nail gun to pin them into position for when you're screwing them together. To securely screw the corners of the sleepers together, align them at a 90-degree angle. Use galvanized screws for outdoor durability. Pre-drill 2 holes in each corner to prevent the timber from splitting. Then drive the screws through one sleeper and into the other. Once you've screwed all your sleepers into place, make sure they're level. If you're working on uneven ground, to make any adjustments, add or remove soil as needed. Once the base layer of sleepers is screwed together, place a builder square in each corner to make sure everything is lined up properly. To hold it in place, attach a piece of timber across each corner to keep it steady while you add upright supports. You will need to work out how many sleepers high you want your garden bed and cut your uprights long enough to go into the hole and to the top of your garden bed. Next, add an upright sleeper to each corner. Double check to make sure everything is level and plumb. Secure these with 100mm bugle batting screws, making sure each upright is straight by checking with a level. Repeat this process for all uprights. From here, mix up your concrete and fill each hole just below the ground level. Once your concrete is dry, it's time to add your row of sleepers. Stacking another layer of sleepers on top of the first. Offset the joints between the layers to give your raised garden bed extra strength and stability. Secure the layers by screwing the sleepers into your timber upright supports. For longer runs of sleepers, to help from bowing or movement, screw in a galvanized metal strap on the inside to help keep the sleepers aligned and together over time. This should be placed evenly in each bay of sleepers. Once your sleepers are securely in place, you can now line the sides of your garden bed. This will help protect the sleepers from rotting over time. Now it's time to fill your garden bed with soil. Ensure you use a good quality garden soil mix that's suited to the type of plants you'll be growing. Make sure to fill it up just below the top of the edge of the sleepers, leaving enough room for mulch if you're planning to use it. And there you have it, your raised garden bed is now ready for planting. If you like this video, make sure to check out our other instructional guides. We've got plenty of DIY advice online to help tackle your next project with confidence.